A double-decker mansion on wheels, powered like a truck and finished like a five-star suite. This changes everything you thought you knew about motorhomes. Today we're talking about the most insane machine on 6 wheels. Ladies and gentlemen, meet the 2027 Scania MEGA DECK 6x6 motorhome, a double-decker rolling palace that makes private jets look ordinary. Let's get into it. Starting with the design, and honestly, just look at this thing. From the front, the Scania MEGA DECK commands absolute respect. That iconic Scania grille finished in a dark honeycomb. Mesh sits perfectly between a pair of razor-sharp LED headlights that slice through the night with surgical precision. The cabin face is massive, bold, and unmistakably Scania. Move around to the side and you're hit with an enormous double-decker silhouette wrapped in a stunning gloss-white body. Floor-to-ceiling panoramic tinted windows running nearly the full length of the coach, and a dramatic diagonal graphic line cutting across the lower deck that gives it an almost supercar-like aggression. The rear is just as clean. Large LED taillights with a modern signature, a chrome dual exhaust trim, and German license plates that remind you this beast was born from serious European engineering. Down below, polished chrome wheels sit under triple rear axles. That's 6 wheels total on the drive end, each one wrapped in thick commercial tires that say, "I go anywhere, anytime, no questions asked." It already dominates visually, but the real story begins when that engine comes to life. Under the hood, this machine absolutely performs. The MEGA DECK runs a Scania V8, producing an estimated 770 horsepower and over 3,700 Newton-meters of torque, paired with Scania's Opticruise automated gearbox. The 6x6 drivetrain drives all 6 rear wheels, delivering traction and stability no ordinary motorhome can match. Whether you're on the Autobahn at 120 kilometers per hour or a mountain pass, this thing handles all 28 estimated tons of it with composed, confidence-inspiring authority. On the technology and safety front, Scania hasn't cut a single corner. The cockpit is loaded with a full digital instrument cluster, an integrated Scania touchscreen infotainment system with real-time navigation, media, phone connectivity, and truck diagnostics, all displayed in crisp, clean menus. The steering wheel alone is a command center, packed with controls for cruise, ADAS functions, and driver assistance systems. The MEGA DECK also features advanced lane-keeping assist, emergency braking, adaptive cruise control, and a multi-angle mirror system giving the driver full 360-degree situational awareness of this enormous vehicle. Because when you're driving something this wide and this long, you need all the help you can get. Step inside and prepare for your jaw to hit the floor. The ground floor living space is a full luxury lounge featuring cream white leather sofas, a sculptural coffee table, ambient LED strip lighting across organically curved ceilings, a full-size Samsung flat-screen TV mounted to the wall, and a kitchen that would embarrass most apartments. We're talking induction cooktop, stainless steel sink with a modern chrome faucet, white quartz countertops with gold trim accents, a Dometic built-in oven, and upper cabinets with flip-up doors revealing organized racks of glassware and fine dinnerware. The bathroom is a full wet room complete with a glass-enclosed shower cabin, a freestanding bathtub, a pedestal toilet, a vanity with stone countertop, and wall-to-wall LED recessed lighting. And when you climb that LED-lit staircase to the upper deck, you arrive at the master bedroom, a king-size bed with a wood-slat backlit headboard framed in gold, plush white bedding, flanking nightstands, built-in overhead cabinets, and a skylight window directly above the bed so you can fall asleep under the stars anywhere in the world. Now, all of this comes with an equally extraordinary price tag, an estimated $6 million, and that number climbs with custom specs and premium finishes. That's more than a Rolls-Royce Cullinan, more than most private aircraft, and more than most people's homes combined. But for the buyer who wants a home that moves, that $6 million is an investment in absolute freedom, exclusivity, and a lifestyle that has no comparison on the road. So what makes the Mega Deck truly stand out beyond the price tag? It's the sheer combination of things that no other vehicle offers simultaneously: the long-haul endurance of a commercial Scania truck chassis, the interior space of a luxury penthouse apartment, the self-sufficiency of an off-grid capable expedition vehicle, and the aesthetic of a five-star boutique hotel, all wrapped in one cohesive, brilliantly engineered package. It's not just a motorhome, it's a statement. A statement that says you've arrived, that the journey is the destination, and that there is absolutely zero reason why traveling the world should mean compromising on comfort, space, or style. After everything you've seen, one thing is undeniable: nothing else comes close to this level of travel. The 2027 Scania MEGA DECK 6x6 motorhome is, without question, one of the most remarkable vehicles ever put on the road. If this video gave you a glimpse into what the future of luxury travel looks like, smash that like button, drop a comment telling me what your favorite part of this machine is. I'll see you in the next one.